Hi, Tim from Kingdom Sewing Center here. We're going to talk about the Janome newer line of sewing machines, kind of mid-price ones. They call it the M series. This is the M7050. Some really good changes on this machine compared to the previous models like the 2030, 3160, 4160 as well. But some really nice changes. We'll start kind of in the needle plate area here. Normal kind of threading, but then when you carry your thread around, you could actually cut the thread. So really nice feature there. Also the needle threader, when I thread this, the needle threader will stay down, so then I could wrap the thread around. I could use two hands to work around there. So they call this a one-handed needle threader, so really nice improvement there. Huge improvement is there's going to be, this is going to flash here. If I leave the presser foot up, and I could kind of tell that the presser foot is up right here, and if you had thick fabric in there, you could not tell if the presser foot was up. So if you tried to sew, you're going to jam the machine up here. So watch this kind of flash now when I step on the foot control. So when I step on the foot control, that will flash me saying, hey, you need to lower the presser foot here to start sewing. So now it will allow us to sew. What I'm going to do here, this is another nice feature here. I'm going to put in this, and you're going to see it kind of change up here. So you see the thread snippers just kind of turned on there. So now when I start sewing, when I come to the end, if I touch the tack button, it will tack down and then automatically cut the thread. So really nice feature there, and when I pull this out, you can see that there is no tail left on the machine there. Really nice little tab up here where if I need to quickly reference which stitch I want, it's all right there. Adjustable presser foot, so I could adjust how much pressure I want this pushing down. Most of the time you could have it on the 6, but sometimes if you do an applique or in your fine fabric, you could adjust that a little bit lower there. On my buttons over here, when I need to select a straight stitch or a zigzag or a buttonhole, those are the quick 2 buttons right there. And then, like I said, if you need to type in number 34 or whatever, then you could go into the 34 right there. Width control and length, you can control all right here. On the previous models, you had to kind of arrow through to get to that specific stitch there. Another huge improvement is this horizontal spool pin is perfectly horizontal. The old machines used to be kind of angled up like that when you wound a bobbin. Sometimes they got caught right there. So a lot of good improvements here. Also comes with this extension table I could put down around the frame there if you need a larger working surface there. So a lot of good features on the Janome M7050. Come see it at Kingdom Sewing in Northridge and Orange Simi Valley. Give us a call at 818-993-8933. Thanks.